Hello, Professor. This is Blessed Gandhi. Today I'm going to demonstrate my project 2, which is secure backup solution for remote employees by implementing it entirely through the Azure portal across two Azure regions. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Azure account, and this is my ODL user name. And so proceed. I created two resource group. Resource group 1 in region 1, which is East US, and resource group 2 in region 2, which is West US. After that, I started by creating two virtual network. Virtual network 1 for region 1 is US, and virtual network for region 2 is West US. And also this is a virtual network. And this is the address space. And also I created a subnet for the virtual network, which is a gateway subnet. And this is the configuration. I did same for region 2. You can see West US address space and also the subnet. And this is it. And this is the configuration for the subnet. So I move forward by creating a virtual network gateway. So this is the virtual network gateway. This is the virtual network. So I go to VPN gateway. As you can see, this is it for region 1. Here I configured a point to site configuration. So this is a just for the point to site configuration and also a public certificate data which was generated, and also I downloaded the VPN client for my virtual machine, which is in region 2. So I move forward by creating a storage account. So this is my storage account and also a file share. So this is my file share, my student account files, and also these are the files in which have been created. And also I'll go to the backup. And so this is the recorded backup, which is in a snapshot mode. So this is it. I'm going to move forward to my recovery service boat. This is my recovery service boat. I'm going to show you the policies. So this, as you can see, this is my student name backup policy, and also the backup schedule, which is been backed up frequently every day for at the time 11 p.m. and also the time zone. So the retention of the daily backup is for 30 days, and also every Friday 11 p.m. for 3 weeks, and for the last day is going to show for 10 months, also at 11 p.m. So that is it. I'm going to move to my virtual machines. So I created one virtual machine for West US, which is region 2, and so it is running operating system Windows. And so let me show you the configuration. So this is a configuration for my virtual machine. And so I'm going to connect remotely, which I already did. So I already connected remotely. So this is it. I connected remotely. So this is my certificate for the virtual machine. So sorry. So I'm going to show you the certificate for my virtual machine. So this is the VPN certificate. So this is the client certificate for this remote protocol for this remote VM, and so the root certificate which is for the resource group 1, and as well the my root and set public key. This is the public key. So I'm going to show you the files which I show you my storage file. This is my storage file, and as well the text which I created in the storage file. That is it. So in this place, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to go back to my Azure portal on my backup. So I'm going to go to backup to show you the files which I showed you before, and you're going to see that it is no longer there because I already deleted it. So this is the file. Okay. So browse. So the files are no longer there. So I'm going to go to backup right now to back up the file or to return the file back to my the deleted file back to my virtual machine, my remote school. So I'm going to go to recover file recovery. So I'm going to select, and this is the restore the snapshot. I'm going to click OK. And so I'm going to select the files. So this is a backup, which I'm going to return right now. And I'm going to restore. So it will trigger after the process um, is done. I'm going to see it back on my remote protocol on my virtual machine, my remote virtual machine. So that is it. And thank you for this project. This project has demonstrated my understanding of core Azure service, secure network, and backup configuration. Thank you very much.